बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। आउज़ुबिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूअर्स। Welcome back to my channel. This is all about ideas signing in. And I am going to share with you a most beautiful and stunning garden decoration ideas. These are super amazing and most beautiful planter garden decoration ideas for you guys. These are super amazing, super unique, and most incredible planter garden recycling decoration ideas. If you are new on my channel, then subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon for more updates and for more notifications. If you want different other craft videos on my channel, then you must leave the comment in the comment section. I will upload those videos on my channel very soon, inshallah. If you want to make these type of craft work, then you must leave the comment in the comment section, and you also watch tutorials on YouTube about how to make these type of planter decoration ideas. These are super amazing, most incredible, and very unique and very pretty garden decor ideas for you guys. These are super amazing and super unique. Planter decoration ideas for you guys. So remember me in your prayers. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. These are amazing and very unique ideas for you guys. Always take care. Always be happy. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz.